Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on Nearby Share. Allows you to easily share links to other Android users through a streamlined and simple process. Nearby Share is now widely rolling out to all Android phones, and if you aren't quite sure how to use it, we'll be walking you through all of its ins and outs. Let's get started. Point 1. How to use Nearby Share. 1. Tap the share icon on something you want to share. It looks like 3 circles with lines connecting them. 2. Swipe up on the Android Share menu. 3. Tap the Nearby Share icon. 4. Tap Turn on to enable Nearby Share. 5. Nearby Share will look for a contact to share your link with. 6. Any available phones will appear on your phone. In this example, it's Joe's phone. 7. Tap the phone you want to share with. You can use Nearby Share to share links, files, and other items on your phone, so feel free to play around with it and use it to share all kinds of things. You can even use Nearby Share to share items from the best Android phones to the best Chromebooks. Point 2. How to accept Nearby Share on Android. That's how you share something with someone else, but what does the whole process look like from the other angle? If you're receiving a file via Nearby Share, this is what you'll see. 1. Tap the Nearby Share notification pop-up. 2. Tap Turn on. 3. Your phone will search for what's being shared with you. 4. Tap Accept to accept the share. Once again, we're treated to a very clean and simple user interface, making Nearby Share wonderfully easy to use. Point 3. How to send apps via Nearby Share on Android. A recently added feature to Nearby Share is the ability to send apps from Google Play to other nearby Android users. Point 1. Open the Google Play app from the phone you wish to share from. Point 2. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, 3 lines. Point 3. Tap on My Apps and Games. 4. Tap on the Share tab. 5. Tap on Send. 6. Tap Continue. 7. From the receiver's phone, follow the same steps as above, but tap Receive. 8. From the sender's phone, select the apps you wish to send, and tap on the green send arrow in the top right corner. 9. From the sender's phone, select the receiver you wish to send apps to. 10. The receiver must then confirm the pairing code. 11. The receiver will select which apps to install. Now the apps will quickly be delivered from the sender to the receiver. And best of all, you don't need to be on the same Wi-Fi or cellular network to share apps. It all works over Bluetooth. Point 4. How to customize Nearby Share. Now that you know how to use Nearby Share, it's time to start customizing the feature so that it works exactly the way you want it to. There are a few different things you can tweak, and they're all worth messing around with. 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. 2. Scroll down and tap Google. 3. Tap Device Connections. 4. Tap Nearby Share. 5. Tap your name to change which Google account you share from. 6. Tap Device Name to change the name of your device when sharing something. 7. Tap Device Visibility to change who you can share with. 8. Tap Data Usage to choose if you want to use data, Wi-Fi, or share offline. Thank you for watching presentation video on Nearby Share, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us on www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.